Judge Guillou, it is my great honor and pleasure to have this opportunity to discuss your candidacy to the ICC and your contribution to the court's development if you are elected. In 2019, states parties to the Rome Statute established the Independent Expert Review, whose mandate was to identify ways to strengthen the ICC and the Rome Statute system. Experts were tasked with making concrete recommendations aimed at enhancing the performance of the court. And you happen to be one of these experts. What can you tell us about the ICC review process?
Well, first of all, I want to emphasize that it was a very inclusive process. We interviewed approximately 300 people from inside the court, from states parties, academia, NGOs, and we had a very open approach. Everyone who wanted to contribute has been able to contribute. And the report that we issued is not a report to fix one small problem at a time. It's a roadmap for the future. The states parties have engaged a lot in the report, the court as well, and we've already seen improvements and proposals that have been implemented. And amongst them, I think one of the most important topics is definitely the workplace culture.
I think that you touch upon this issue because we know that the ICC is a court of law with a fully international and multicultural character. And what do you think is needed for a person in such a high position as an international judge to be able to fit in this unique environment? In your opinion, how should a person in such a position ensure a good workplace culture?
I think the most important is that nobody is above the law, judges included. So workplace culture, first meaning abiding by code of conduct, rules of ethics, and being able to create a safe and dynamic working environment. For judges, it means that when you manage a team of legal officers, that you work in collaboration with them, that you give clear instruction, clear guidelines, and that you work well also with your colleagues, because collegiality is definitely something that we need at the court. It's sometimes a challenge, especially when judges come from different legal backgrounds. We've seen that in the past. But I think the key is to listen to your colleagues first. Take the time to understand their own system, where they come from, and then try to bridge the gap and try to invent together this hybrid system that is supposed to be the International Criminal Court.